Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Algebra. Okay, and this is about special products. Alam mo kagad, no? So this is about special products. Again, very important. Dun sa mga magte-take ng UPCAT, make sure you know all the special product formula. Maraming topics related sa special product and factoring. Kahit na marunong kayo, kahit kabisado yung formula, pero pag mabagal tayo, mabagal din yung matatapos. Kaya the speed, the skill has to be there. Okay? Let's take a look. If x cubed minus y cubed is equal to 61 and x minus y equals to 1, find the value of x squared plus xy plus y squared. Paano ko hahanapin yan? Technically, hindi siya mahirap, lalo na dun sa mga nakakaalam ng special product formula. Kasi makikita natin yung relationship between this, and this. Ang sinasabi natin x cubed minus y cubed is actually the product of what? X minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. Yan ang relationship nila. Kaya pala madali lang. Okay? Ganon lang yun. So kung x cubed minus y cubed is 61, then x minus 1 is 1. And ito yung hinahanap natin. Divide mo by 1. So that tells us that your x squared plus xy plus y squared is simply equal to
61.
61. Ano lang kadali? Letter D ang sagot natin. So this kind of question can be answered in less than 5 seconds if you know what to do. So dito sa mga ganitong questions, dapat tayo bumawi ng oras. So wag sayangin.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung UPCAT.